Hey family, it's Evelyn here, and guess who's back with another video? I know, right? Like, I'm on a streak and my goal is to stay ahead. So I think I've decided I'm gonna go ahead and do Vlogmas. Pray for your girl. It's been a long, to go from like not doing videos for like a year and then to jump right into like a 25-day stretch of doing videos is a lot. But I think we can do it. So if you haven't seen my last video where I was asking like, hey, do you think I should do Vlogmas and leave me some video ideas, then I will either iCard it above or leave a link to it in this video in the description box. But I'm gonna do Vlogmas, okay? And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a couple of short mini series inside of Vlogmas so that I can kind of touch on a couple of different things, and then I'll throw some randoms in there, and then I'll also include the videos that you guys request. And so thank you for all the love for those of you who saw my video last week when I was like, hey, I'm back, welcome back. If this is the first video that you've seen from me, it's because I haven't been posting in a while, so you might want to turn on your notifications. I'm excited to be back. I keep saying that. I'm excited. I'm bringing you tons of content, and yeah, y'all, I am excited. What else? I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas. The series that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to do like a couple of little mini series, maybe 4 to 5 videos under each topic. So I'll kind of do like a getting to know me series, because I just feel like I've been gone for so long and I've changed so much, and even with me being gone, I've gotten new subscribers. So welcome to the fam. Welcome to the spiciness. Welcome to all of this. Okay. So a mini getting to know me series, a mini self-care series, a mini business entrepreneurship series, a mini find your flavor series. I'm just going to do a couple of mini series just to mix it up. And so I'll do them like 1 week will be one series, 1 week will be the next series, or I'll kind of do a little bit at a time, and then you can come back and then you can watch the ones that you enjoy, or you can watch them all. But whatever you do, you're going to share them with a friend. Say it with me. I'm going to share it with a friend. Okay, no, speaking to my good ear, because I can't hear you. I didn't hear you say I'm going to share it with a friend. Okay, because the first time I didn't hear you good, and I was just like, so we're not sharing with the friends? Like, sharing is caring. Okay, anyway, y'all know I'm special. All right, I just wanted to pop on and say that excited to be back. And any other series that you want me to do, because I may carry that series theme into the new year. And so would love to know what you feel about that. Do you like these organic style videos? I know a lot of YouTube videos now are very like saucy, right? They've got like fancy intros, they've got fancy outros, they've got fancy graphics, they've got fancy lighting. Like, I missed the sunlight today, so this is all artificial light, which is why it may look a little yellow. But listen, y'all can see me, y'all can hear me, and that's all that matters. So I'm excited to be back, and yeah, y'all. Okay.